Hey everyone, so what I'm working on here today, got my trailer over here. I'm going to start taking this here building apart so I can move it to my place. This is one of the barns I have to move. It's actually pretty sound. It's starting to sag a little bit in the front, but I'll be able to straighten it back up. It'll be a pretty good spot to be able to at least back some equipment undercover. And so my goal is, of course, I got to take this front here all off, and going to have to take the roof off. I was going to try to do it in sections on the roof, but the walls are definitely going to do in big pieces, and I can bring the skid steer over and just pick it right up and set them down. No big deal. And but the roof, I think it's safer just to take the tin all right off and take the strapping off and just pull the spikes and take it apart like that. I think that's the safest route. So yeah, a little bit time consuming, a little more time it's going to be than I was hoping, but safer this way, you know. This way we can save all the tin. And if I start pulling it in sections and bring the crane over, then I'm going to have it all broke and tore apart. And so this way here, I'm kind of hoping, like I'll take this stuff here all home, and then I'll set it off the side. And then when I'm able to start bringing the walls, then I can start putting it right back up at home. So yeah. Oh, I haven't quite decided if I'm going to take everything right off, or I'm going to go part way and start moving walls so I can start getting them set up at home. We'll see, play it by ear. Today's kind of the first day getting at it. Hoping I can kind of work away at it, you know, every day this week and get it down. And you know, hard when you're working by yourself, haven't got any help, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, could be a lot worse, but it'll definitely be a nice building for me when I get it. We get it all situated. So yeah. Well, like anything, we gotta put time into it. Oh, we're getting the front peeled off, and what do you got on it for siding and all that stuff there too. So yeah. But you know, the goal is home. I'm gonna pick it up a little bit higher, but I have 30 foot of deck space, but I could bring wagons over and whatever I gotta do to set stuff on. So, big deal, it'll come. Biggest trouble is gonna be getting the tin all off without ruining it. So then it's nailed on, it's not screwed. So I'm gonna go home tonight and kind of devise something I could build to lay over top of the ribs for pulling the nails, so it'll be a little safer. So, but I mean, it's strapped to 2x4s, so I should be able to get those off fairly reasonable, you know. But yeah, that's how she goes. What else should I be doing with my time? I got like a million things on the go. Can't get anything finished, but that's my own fault, as I try to take on too much for one man. So just how it goes. But anyway, I'll give you an update once we start getting things moving. But this is basically what I'm moving to my place. So we'll talk at you later.